Tech19, and today we have the Magsafe Charger for iPhone 12 Pro and all the 12s. Okay, let's unbox this thing and we're gonna take a look what this thing does and how it works. Okay, I have the 12 Pro that I just unboxed for you guys. Let's take a look to see what this thing does and how it charges. Okay, here we go. Here's the unboxing. If you guys are just coming onto my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me for future videos. I have a video that usually comes out once a week, and I would love for you guys to join all the believers that are in my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Here we go. We got the charger in here. Magsafe Charger. Okay, so it does tell you a little information on the back. It tells you that it is a USB-C and it does not come with a brick, so remember, you're gonna have to have your own brick. Apple's not providing us with any more power supplies. We're gonna have to buy that separately if we don't have it in the house already. Okay, so just remember that you just get this with the wire attached to it. That's it. Here we go. Let's open this up. Okay, so what do we have in here? Okay, designed by Apple in California. All right, we know that. This is how it comes every time. Here it is, guys. Check that out. Okay, how do you open this thing? All right, slides out of there just like that. Then here we go, guys. Here's how it pops out. Okay, and bam, it's out. There's the charger, guys. So here is the wire, and honestly this cord is not that long. It's actually pretty small. I don't know why they made it so small like this. They should have made it a little bit bigger, because this is going to be a problem for people that have that keep this on the desk. How are you going to charge stuff like this? This is going to be rough. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but this is going to be rough. So this is the charger. Okay, can you guys see? All right, so this right here is all aluminum. Okay, really nice, and it looks like mine. Scratch on it already. Can you guys see that? There's a little scratch right there.
What the hell?
Apple, $40 and you got me one with a scratch on it? Come on. Never fails, right? Anyways, let's take a look, okay? So, we got a little bit of plastic right here, okay? White plastic. All right, that's where the contact points are. You had the coils in there to charge the actual iPhone. So let's get the iPhone and we will see how it actually attaches to it, okay? So let's do this, okay? So it's I can kind of feel it there already. And whoa, did you guys hear that? That's amazing. It's actually there. Let's see. I hope this is not a drop test. We're not trying to do a drop test, okay, guys? This thing's way too expensive to do that. But it's dirty, guys. It's not going to come off. This is not coming off at all. You see that? That's sturdy, solid, no complaints, all right? I don't know how this is going to work as far as scratching, because I'm kind of worried that the MagSafe is actually going to scratch this. I've watched some reviews, and honestly, I don't know. No one's really talked about this, but I'm kind of curious as to how much, and how, after use of maybe like a year or 6 months, is this going to actually scratch your phone? I don't trust this thing, you know, with the aluminum and the plastic on the back of it. I'm definitely going to have to keep a case on this. So let's try it with a case, okay? Let's grab the red one. I like the product red. Okay. And bam. Solid. Still stays on there. It's good to go. You can move it around if you need to. I feel like it's actually gonna scratch everything. It's gonna scratch this. It's gonna, I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I feel like it's gonna scratch it eventually. Okay, or it's gonna leave some kind of indentation here or some kind of mark eventually down the line or whatnot. Okay, but it is a really nice connection. Feels good. All right. It does not move too much. You can kind of twist it, but it's hard. It's not easy to twist it. Okay, so the magnet is super strong in there. All right. And I like it. I like the idea, but I feel like, why can't we just use our regular wireless chargers, the standard wireless charger, or just regular cheap charger versus something like this, where you got to do two parts. Okay, so now you got it charging, right? And it's the middle of the night, right? Imagine this: you got a phone call, you want to pick it up. Now you got to pop it off there, right? But if you have it sitting on a cheap charger, you just pick it up and go. So I don't see the point of this right now, honestly. In my opinion, I would probably return this and just use the old cheap chargers that we have, or the regular wireless chargers for the overnight thing. There's no need for this. This is like something new that they're just trying to sell us and make more money from us. But in my opinion, we don't need this, okay? Honestly, yes, it's nice looking. It's something cool that we have. Actually, it's not even like nice looking. Look at that. I mean, is that actually nice looking? It looks odd on the back of it, doesn't it? It looks weird. Doesn't it look weird? All right, if I put it down here, oops. Now, if I put it down here like this, okay, it's fine. But if this magnet was somehow able to disconnect without having to pull it off like this, it would be much, much better. Okay, so for instance, you got it like this, you're getting ready, you want to go out, okay, you don't need to do that. Why do this? This is annoying. See how it drops like that? It shouldn't drop like that. You should just have it somewhere sitting like that, charging on top of it, pick it up and go. Done. It should charge no matter what. The whole back of this should be coils, okay? Not just one location, so that wherever you put it, it actually charges it, okay? That's just my opinion. It is a nice idea. Apple always tries something new, and this is something new that we finally got. So I'm not really complaining too much, but I'm just saying that's what it is, okay? And I just noticed it says something on the side, R-NZ. I don't know what that means. I guess wherever it was made or whatever. Let me know if in the comments if you guys know what that means. R-NZ, okay? Whatever that is, all right? And there's another couple of symbols on the side. I don't know why Apple has these symbols on the side when Apple's the one that's making it. And by the way, you know what I just noticed? There's no Apple logo on the back of this. So does that mean Apple actually did not make this and somebody else made this? Something I'm just thinking about. Let me know in the comment what do you guys think, okay? Because Apple always puts their logo on everything, okay? This doesn't have a logo on it. What is up with that? There's no logo here. There's no logo here. This is strange, guys. I just realized this. They put their logo on the front of this, okay? Right there. But how come there's no logo on the back of this? There's always a logo on Apple products. Why? Look, even on their case, they have a logo. Why would they not put it on the back of this? I don't know. That's strange to me. All right. So probably has something to do with this company or whatever that means over there. We'll find out. I'm going to have to research a little bit and find out, okay? Well, there you guys have it. This is a Magsafe Charger. Get the brick if you want to use this. Or if you have an old one lying around, plug it into this. All right. It's got the USB-C connection. That's going to be another problem because not everybody has those laying around, okay? So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen now. We're going to see. I only have actually one of them, which I use to charge my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is going to be an issue every time I want to charge it. See, this is what I'm talking about now. I got to go get a charger because Apple just screwed me over. Again. Thanks, Apple. See you guys in the next one. Peace.